Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a character from Animal Crossings. This time it's gonna be Kid Cat. So here is my full pencil sketch, nice and easy. And then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and this is very easy to draw. So here's my little pencil sketch, and we're gonna start out right in the middle. We're gonna draw in the visor area first. So right in the middle here, let's draw a little V shape. Okay, we're gonna come across from the top. And then now for the side of the visor here, from this point, just come down with one big bracket. Alright, and then from this bracket right here, we're going to close it off. So from point to point here, we're going to curve up just a little bit. Let's go all the way around. Alright, so that's the visor, and before we add in the details, we're going to draw in the full head shape first. So we're going to come out to the side here. Let's draw one big bracket. And this part is going to be the trickiest part. Okay, so just one big bracket first, and then on the top we're going to round it out. And then on the bottom here we'll round it out, and it's going to be a little bit flatter. Okay, and then now we can add in the little details. So let's just go ahead and finish up the top right here. From this corner, we'll just go up. So it's going to be a little bit skinnier on the top. And then we're just going to add in a little bar right here for the number 1. Okay, just fill it in, and then right on the tip here, just a little angle. Alright, and then right here on the side, just slant out. And then for his mouth, it's very simple here. Just come down the center, come down, you make a little point, curve. Okay, so just 2 curves from the middle. Alright, so now we can finally draw in the eyes. So the eyes are a little bit strange. Just come out to the side right here. Just draw like a little dome shape first. Okay, and then from this dome shape, from the bottom, just come in, leave a little bit of a space, and then just curve up. Okay, so just come across, and then just curve up here. And let me shade it in so we can see this a little bit better. Alright, so that's the head shape, and then now for the ears, and it's going to be pretty big. So we're going to connect to these points here. From the side here, you can make 2 little points. Now from here, just go up. And then come back down to this point. Okay, once you've drawn one, and now we can use this for reference. So we'll just slant up and just stop. And then on this side here, we'll just come down, just connect that. Okay, and then for the details inside, it's very easy. We just add another line, just all the way around. Alright, so that's the head, and then now for the body, super easy. We're just gonna come up here, make 2 little points, just slant out, and then on the bottom here, just round it out. So that's gonna be the body shape, so it's very simple. And then now for the arm, I'm gonna start right here. Okay, just go out. Here's the armpit. Just kind of make it a little bit smaller on the tip here, and then we'll just round it out. Alright, and then for this one, we're going to have it a different pose right here. So this one's going to come down and just hook it up. Okay, here's the armpit. So just follow the same curve as the one on top. Just come in, make it a little bit smaller here, a little bit tighter, and then we'll just round it out. And then for the details right here, right in the middle of the arm, I'm just going to add in a little bar. I'm going to come over to this side and add another bar. And then on this side, I'm just going to add 1 line. Okay, so right in the middle of this, just 1 bar. Right here, another bar. And then on this side, just 1 line. Alright, and then now for his legs, super easy. We'll just continue with this slant right here, just come down. Let's try on this side first. And then here's the middle, just come over. We'll just slant out Again, make it a little bit smaller at the tip, and then just round it out. So it's pretty much the same as the arms. Okay, so right in the middle, one bar. I'm gonna go up, draw another bar. Right in the middle, one bar. Right on the top right here. And then on the bottom right here, just one line. And then for the tail, just come right around here. It doesn't have to be the same placement. I'm just gonna curve up. And then just round it out. And then lastly for the number 1 right here. So let's just come down and just round it up. Just stop a little bit short. Okay, on the top right here, just come across. And then just add a little hook right here. And that is it for this Kit Kat. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you next time.